Okay, and what I want you to do first is for a basic warm-up. Step out and punch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you don't let your bone structure stop your punch with your muscles. Right? So I want you to throw 3 punches. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I want you to throw 5 punches. 1. Try to get you done. 2. Good. 3, 4, 5. All right. I want you to go to the horse stance. No knife hand start. Good. Good. Now the other arm. Good. Now you're going to switch that to a fist. Middle section. Fist. Middle section. Okay. Let's try again. 1, 2. Try to kind of look that direction. 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm making this real simple because we're doing left, right. Sometimes I'll switch that up on you here in a minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're blocking with a good solid side and not like this. Not like this. Solid. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and we're going to bring our arms out and scoop. Okay. Lock with my stance. I changed. I need to change the stances now. Got it? From there, punch. Okay. Knife. Turn to the front stance. Yep. Let's try it again. But roll. Ready? Scoop. Lock. What's next? Punch. Turn the whole body. Knife. Okay, borrow it. Let's see if we can do it. This is what's going to happen. Got it? That's a really good point. What is my target? We're all higher ranks, right? So we're here. I've got an attack from here, and I'm going to scoop that leg, okay? And I'm going to pop it up, knock him off balance, and I'm going to hit him, and then I'm going to hit his partner back here. Okay? It's this whole side. Right? Block there, here, right? Punch him, and then I see this other guy coming. That'd be 25. Not here, not there. That help? Okay, that's good. You need to know what you're focusing on. So let's try it. 2B. I'm going to do it. My right hand, my left hand, my right hand, my left hand. Okay. Make it easy. When you do it, make sure you guys aren't standing straight legged when you do it. I know you're thinking right now. So you stand a little straight legged. See if you can get your body into it. Okay? And then now pick up. All right, let's make it too hard, but here we go. All right, this time we're going to step forward and we're going to go high block, same arm, low block, inner forearm block. Okay. Step forward, high block. What's next? Lower block, inner block. Now you're doing a little bit of wrist and arm changer because you're going high, low, pressing on the knee a little bit, and Make sure this isn't like this. It's like this. Okay, next move. High, low, in. Let's try it. Ready? 1. I'm going to strike, palm heel. Strike, palm heel. These up close are devastating. My hands up close are devastating. It just takes one contact with that and it's over. If I go like that, 1, 2, and then that, it's done. It's devastating. Be careful when you spar, when you drill those, my hands are devastating. Old time martial artists use them a lot because why? They're so powerful. So boom, 1, 2, 3. Got it? 1, 2, 3 for now. 1, 2, 3. You all see where I'm hitting, right? Okay, 10. Okay, let's try it. Ready? 1. Let's do it again. Ready? 1. 1, 2, palm. 2. 1, 2, palm. 3. 1, 2, palm. This is pretty easy. 4. Already done that, right? Now we're going to go ahead and throw another palm heel. 1, 2, palm heel. Reverse knife hand, reverse knife hand. Got it? 1, 2, you already know. Add this. Okay. Right. 1. I'm going to have to hit him 2 times before I land. Okay? I got him twice before I land, right? That's what you're going to do first. Are you ready for that? Before you land. Okay. How many times is that? 3. Before you land. Woo! So you may have to do 2 for a while before you can get up to 3. You'll see it though. You'll see your hand get quicker. Okay, 3 times if you can do it. Ready? 1. Not bad. 2. Now here's the cool thing. Watch here. This is kind of what you add to it later. Watch what he does. What do you do? 3 separate shots, right? 1 high, 1 low, 1 high.